Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, a quick reminder to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. With that said, this month I'll share with you my personal go-to for a tasty and easy dumpling dipping sauce. So let's go. Here's what you need. Keep in mind 1 tablespoon of chili oil is equal to tablespoon sriracha. I'm using 1:1 ratio because I like it hot. I had a slight spill while filming, but that's 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Combine all the ingredients except for the sesame seeds and mix well. If you don't have or you don't like granulated garlic, you can use garlic paste instead. Same ratio. Now just add the sesame seeds on top. You can use scallions instead or whip the sesame seeds. That's it. All that's left is to get some dumplings, I chose gyoza, and dig in. Let me know in the comments below how spicy or mild you've made your dipping sauce. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit.